In this video, I'll guide you through how to send money to Pakistan using Remitly. Remitly is a reliable and affordable way to transfer money internationally. Plus, if you are new, sign up using the link below and enjoy your first transfer fee free. Now let's get started. Start by opening up Remitly app or visiting their website at remitly.com. And if you don't have an account yet, again, you can use the link below to sign up for free and enjoy your first transfer with no fees. And if you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Now, once logged in, select Pakistan as your destination country on this section. So hit this downward arrow and scroll down until you see Pakistan, but you can type in Pakistan on the search bar and select that from the results. Now, once you have done that, send money or hit the send money button. And on the next page, you just need to type in the amount that you'd like to send first in USD. For example, I'm going to send $100. And then you'll have an automatic conversion on the corresponding currency. And once you scroll down, you'll see the current exchange rate and also the fees that you'll be paying for the transaction. Now, after that, hit continue and then select your delivery method. So you have three options. You can go for bank deposit. This sends money directly to any bank account in Pakistan. And for cash pickup, funds can be collected at partner locations. And then for mobile money, this transfer money to EasyPay siya or just cash accounts. Now just choose method that works best for your recipient, and for this video we are going with cash pickup, and these are all the options if you're going with cash pickup also, and you'll have more once you go on to this part. Now I'm going with Allied Bank. Then type in your recipient's name. So first name, the middle name, and also their last name. Then hit continue. And make sure to type in also their city as it would appear on their valid ID. And hit continue again. And if you'd like for your recipient to receive some transfer updates, you can type in their mobile number on this section, but this is completely optional, so you can skip this one. And then for the payment method, you'll have three options. You can go for debit card, credit card, and as well as bank account. So you'll see the fees also and exchange rate clearly before proceeding. If you're going with card, just hit this add new card, and then you'll need to type in all of this information, the card number, expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on the card. And on the bottom part, just double check the billing address. So after typing in all of the information, hit this next button, and on the next page, again, review all the details, including the recipient's information and the total amount being sent. Remitly will show you the estimated delivery time, which can be as fast as a few seconds for some methods. And once confirmed, you'll receive a tracking number to monitor the transaction and share with your recipient. And that's it. Sending money to Pakistan with Remitly is fast, secure, and affordable. Don't forget to use the link below to sign up and enjoy your first transfer fee free. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.